for you. Well, you guys been wondering what's been going on. Well, we have issues and we're trying to figure out the issues, and me right now, honestly, me have the videos, but we don't have a video edits and we don't post a lot of video to wanna do that. But quick question, please like and subscribe. Come back to your channel 340 Entertainment or support my Instagram channel. But anyway, 335 is turn it up after we do whatever. We have a downpipe, everything turn it up, misfire issue. So we have a video today, show you with the misfire, and it's been getting problems, but I tell you, a lot of guys don't come and declare all of this, say yo, when the car having issues, they don't show that, but when the car running good, they show that. But we turn up the car and we run into a few issues. So before the car was running perfect, no issues. As soon as we put it boost up, we have a little issue. So now we regulate it. So go watch this video during the engine test to see what's going on. Please like and subscribe. 340 Entertainment one more time. Yeah, don't watch your style. Look like an easy job today. Don't forget you have to code when you change them. You have to code out properly.
Okay, the communication.
Yo, how about